Markets have opened in red after the presentation of Union Budget. Especially, we had seen the volatility in the market after the new tax regime cuts were really announced. Let's take a look at what the markets are really saying. Nifty going down. We do see that ITC is in green still. Let's actually listen in.
It's not a bad opening at all. Given the kind of announcements we had in the budget with regards to taxes, I would have assumed at least day two would have started with some gash, but no. Flat to a bit of a negative bias. The mid-cap index is actually in the green by about 200 odd points. Bajaj Finance is your top loser on the back of the numbers, so that one is down about 2 odd percent, but I think that was expected. So it's, now gaining traction in terms of volumes as well. HUL is also down about 1%. Britannia is down 1%. Tata Consumer is under pressure. So these are stocks that are trending in the red right now. A couple of these pharma names also not looking too good. Cipla is down almost 0.7%. What's doing well is ITC. It's a fresh 52-week high on ITC. Titan is up almost about 0.8% on the back of the 6% gain yesterday. HDFC Life, Tech Mahindra, Coal India, ONGC are a couple of other stocks that are trending in the green right now. Lots of stocks in the broader markets as well, but what really stands out for me right now are a couple of these PSU names. So something like an IRDA is up almost 2.5%, some buying interest seen there. RCF, IRCON, IRFC, IOC, NBCC, all in the green right now. BEL as well. So defense has come back a tad bit. But otherwise, for the market, it's very quiet. What really stands out is ITC at a fresh 52-week high. The headline index very, very flat with a bit of a negative bias. And since we're talking about 52-week highs, United Spirits also, by the way, is at a fresh 52-week high post its numbers.
Well, that's right, Sonia. A few more stocks to put down the list. You have ICICI Prudential. That one's doing very, very well. Yash had told us those numbers were quite good. The stock opens up with a gain of around 4.5%. So good move up there. Bagel Projects, they are backed an order worth around 580 crores from Power Grid Corporation. That's coming up as one of the top volume movers in today's trading session. So Bagel Project should come up for you on the screen. You have Thyrocare. Well, that one, in fact, is flying away. The volumes are yet to pick up substantially, but for the time being, the stock has opened up with a gain of around 5%. The margins have expanded yet again to around 27%. That compares with around 25%. Explains why the stock is up and about. And Borosil Renewables, a 10% basic custom duty on imports of solar glass has been taken very, very positively. And that's why after yesterday's big gains, you have Borosil Renewables. That's up yet again with a gain of close to around 6% or thereabouts. Parag Milk as well, the first tick was in the green. So good going out there. Let's check out if there are any negative earnings reactions. Mahindra & Mahindra Financial, Abhishek told us elections, heat waves, floods, well, they all impacted the disbursement.
And with that, we are slipping into a very short break here on the broadcast. News and updates continue on CNN News 18.